Bro, Mount Holly issued another snow squall warning. What the heck? Bro, another one. It says damage strike considered significant. Why did you two not go off?
Blowing snow and rapidly falling visibility. Wind gusts greater than 50 miles per hour knock down trees will around unsecured objects.
Oh my god.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, dangerous, and life-threatening travel conditions are expected to develop rapidly in the warning area. This includes the following highways. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 287 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey near mile marker 0. Interstate 380 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 13. Locations impacted include Mount Pocono, Stroudsburg, Tobiana, Henryville, Water Lake, Pocono Pines, Pocono Raceway, Delaware Water Gap, Skidmont, Tannersville, Mountain Home, Alpine Mountain, Long Pond, Arrowhead Lake, Reeders, Unalimic, Connecticut, Scotland, Blakesley, and Echo Lake. Slow down. Rapid changes in visibility and road conditions are expected with this dangerous snow squall. Be alert for sudden whiteout conditions.
Yes, sir.
Public and remote counties will expire at 5 p.m.